Text. Equal housing opportunity. Handicap accessible. A wide river with a marina. Large house-like buildings are clustered along the bank. A sports complex with a stadium. A modern building with a sign. Atlantic. Nowell Creek. Two women greet each other. A man with a mug works in a private space off a main hall. A man rides a stationary bike in a bright gym. A woman performs ballet poses at a bar. A bright living area with a door to a balcony. Spacious bedroom with ground floor windows. A woman sits on a couch. She draws on a sketch pad and smiles. She looks out the windows. She stands on the balcony, painting a canvas. An open field with a footbridge at the edge that goes to a railed deck at the side of a marshy lowland. There is a ramp from the deck to a dock at the water. A man helps women step onto a boat. The women and man ride in the boat on the water. Two women toast with drinks. They wave to a woman in a kayak and a man on a stand-up paddleboard. The man visits New York butcher shop. Inside are coolers of fresh meats and assorted wines. An employee seasons a raw steak and hands it, wrapped in paper, to the man. Two women look at flowers in a small shop. One woman hands the other a large fresh bouquet. The shop name is Bloom Designs. The apartments have wide sidewalks between buildings. A pool with rows of lounge chairs is shaded in a courtyard. A man rides a scooter to a nearby restaurant. He enters and meets two women at the bar. They smile and toast drinks together. Outside, an older couple holds hands as they walk on a wooden path next to the water. The man points over the water where there are sailboats. Inside the apartments, a couple plays pool together. Outside, another couple relaxes together poolside. A man uses a grill by the pool. He presents a tray of grilled meats to a table with several people. They all smile. A woman swims across the pool. A person lounges in an inner tube in the water. An entrance has two trees on either side of a wide walkway. A fold-out sign says now leasing. Enter here. Text. Daniel Island. Atlantic. Nowell Creek.